Oh, it's like from Entity, and I'm gonna show you how I made an evil thriller type beat, but the melody is like white noise. I mean, I'm gonna show some clips from the COOKUP, but this is what I started off with. Yeah, very inspiring. So I consolidated it plenty of times because my computer was gonna explode. So this is what I turned it into. I put shaper box, beam, a little bit of bit crush, OTT, and infiltrator on it, and I just started adding drums, seeing what would fit good. But this is what I have so far for the drums. Nothing too difficult. I just started off with the 808 bounce. Added a kick to it and then sidechained it. Added this for more bounce. Same thing, I just copied and pasted it. Added a neo clap every whatever bar that is. And then I could just do this. What the fuck? I usually try to find a bounce within this range, and then I copy and paste it, and then like throughout the beat I'll just switch it up and see what fits good. So this is what I have for the hi-hat. Added snare, chant, box, open hat. That's what it sounds like. All together is what all the drums sound like. Not that hard, but it takes a while to like make it fit, especially with this fucking melody. But then I added other pattern just to give it some uniqueness. This is what I added. Not gonna lie, the 808 makes like a very big difference with this beat, cause like it low-key makes it into like its own melody. Cause if I were to like just put this on it, it wouldn't like, you know, it's kind of buns. But yeah, you gotta find a good 808 for these type of beats. You gotta really stick to what you're making and try to build off of that instead of just doing some random shit and then thinking it's hard. I just realized I added another open hat on the second pattern. Sounds good. That's why I added it. This is the whole beat put together with all the drums and automation clips.